Vinegar. Yeah? 1, 2, 3.
You're going to expect to see the top one underground river tour, the only place in the Philippines that got an entry worldwide to become one of the 7 wonders of nature in the world.
Thank you. That's Lina, our tour guide, guys.
Greetings, fellow wanderers! Welcome back to our unforgettable expedition through the enchanting Philippines. In today's gripping episode, we're about to take you on an incredible voyage into the heart of Palawan's enigmatic underground river. Don't forget to hit that like button and buckle up, because this adventure is about to unfold like never before. As the sun dawned on our last day at the picturesque Astoria, Palawan, little did we know that an extraordinary adventure awaited us. Our day kicked off at the crack of dawn with a tour van picking us up at 8 a.m. sharp. But wait, let's rewind a bit. Before our departure, we indulge in a hearty breakfast, ensuring that we are fueled up for the day ahead. And here's a pro tip. We cleverly checked out our room and stowed our luggage safely in the hotel storage, sparing us the hassle of unnecessary extra night stay. Our voyage to the underground wonders took us on a 1 to 1.5 hour ride. Our charismatic tour guide filled the journey with a fascinating insight about Palawan Island's history and culture, keeping us entertained throughout the scenic drive.
And I would like to bring all of you as Payat Katimprano Kanindong Tanan.
Payat na magtimprano. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. We're going to say good morning, everyone.
But here's the fun truly begins. As we reached Punta Princesa, our adventure took an unexpected turn. Instead of waiting at the pier, we found ourselves immersed in a serene mangrove boating experience. Our taste buds danced as we sampled the local flavors of buko and even braved the daring Tamilok Challenge, a culinary escapade you won't want to miss.
By the way, Tamilok is a ship form. They burrow on wood. They're like termites in the water.
And speaking of culinary courage, our daring duo, Andrew and Kaki, and also Mikmik, embarked in an ultimate Tilamok eating challenge. The tension was palpable, and the reactions priceless.
It's just like virgin uni.
Trust me, this is one unforgettable highlight you won't want to skip.
1, 2, 3.
One, and 2, and 3.
Picture this, a 15-minute boat ride through the pristine waters and leading us to the entrance of fabled underground river. Equipped with hard hats and life vests, we embarked on a scenic 15-minute walk, greeted by playful wild monkeys who always call this island home. Before venturing deep into the cave, we took a moment to capture the anticipation on camera. The cave entrance served as a perfect backdrop for the group photos and videos that forever encapsulate the excitement of the day.
Unsay na diha tay?
The time had come for us to uncover the mysteries concealed within the darkness. The bats hovering overhead, only the guided audio tour to light our way. We navigated through intricate rock formations and mystical chambers, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Emerging from the depths of underground river, we were filled with a sense of wonder and awe. Our exhilarating journey concluded as we headed back to Astoria, Palawan, where we gathered our belongings and prepared for the next leg of our expedition, a thrilling adventure to El Nido. But wait, dear viewers, the adventure doesn't end here. Join us on our upcoming episode as we set our sight on the paradise of El Nido. Departing from the welcoming shores of Astoria, Palawan, get ready for our breathtaking landscapes, turquoise water, and the promise of unforgettable experiences. All the essential details are waiting for you in the description below. If you enjoyed this incredible journey, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Share this video with fellow explorers. Until we meet again, keep the wanderlust alive, keep exploring, and keep spreading the travel vibes. Peace.